DCFTA Initiative East. Georgia, Moldova and Ukraine are EU neighbours renowned for their agri-food production and potential, growing manufacturing and hospitality sectors, all of which are largely sustained by small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs. In 2014, Georgia, Moldova and Ukraine signed association agreements with the European Union. A process of adoption of EU standards and directives began in the context of the so-called Deep and Comprehensive Free Trade Area, DCFTA, aiming to modernize the three countries' economies, increase the competitiveness of local businesses, open new trade opportunities, and sustain employment. SMEs are the backbone of the economy across the three countries, accounting for over 90% of businesses and employing over 2/3 of the active working population. In order to support access to finance for SMEs, the European Investment Bank, the EU Bank, and the European Investment Fund, together the EIB Group, joined forces with the European Union under the DCFTA Initiative East, part of the EU for Business programme, which consists of three pillars. Guarantee Facility. The objective is to allow banks to take more risk and to help SMEs have easier access to finance for business expansion and modernization. Portfolio guarantees are being offered to local banks covering up to 70% of losses incurred on individual SME loans. Banks can therefore build a new portfolio of loans by offering improved terms, in particular by reducing collateral requirements. Agri-food value chains. Agriculture is a core provider of employment, income, and food security in Georgia, Moldova, and Ukraine, which are blessed with fertile land and have significant potential for further developing their production, import substitution, and export capacity. The EIB has made available funding in support of agri-food value chains, including cereals, oilseeds, horticulture, aquaculture and fisheries, as well as wine and nuts. In addition, the EIB also provides technical assistance to local banks and advisory services to SMEs to facilitate the loan application process. All actors in the target value chains are eligible for such technical and financial support, including input suppliers, farmers, food processors, logistics providers, and advisory and quality control service providers. Microfinance facility. Micro-businesses are a vital driver for growth and employment. The EIB provides loans on competitive terms to microfinance institutions in these countries in order to improve access to finance to micro-enterprises. Under the DCFTA Initiative East, part of the EU for Business programme, the EIB Group, jointly with the European Union, facilitates access to finance for businesses in Georgia, Moldova, and Ukraine, unlocking their potential, helping them reap the benefits of the association agreements and reach new markets.